Let me show you how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in passive affiliate commissions from affiliate marketing. I will start with an example of this video on TikTok. We know they're doing it right because it matches with our system. This faceless video has got over 3.2 million views. In affiliate marketing, views turn into clicks, and for us, every click pays us $1.70 to $8.58. And together from all these clicks, in this account, we earned all this money. And what they are doing is really amazing. They publish faceless text and image type videos. And in their bio, they put a link. When viewers click on this link, they visit this page. And this page is not an affiliate offer. This is called a bridge page. Most of the social media sites don't allow affiliate links directly right here, and that's why they made this page. This is a button, and when people click on this button, they visit the real ClickBank affiliate offer. They're doing it right, getting a lot of clicks, and chances are they're making a lot of sales. But unfortunately, ClickBank offers don't pay $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions. For that, the offers are different, and system of promoting is also different. We do things in a little different way, a little simpler and a little easier, and our system is 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file, and I will choose the Squid Game story. Because today's video is about Squid Game story. Stay tuned. I will show you clicks, customers, and money. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side, you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. And let me show you a great way to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. This video on TikTok has got around 100,000 views. And this video is completely faceless, teaching you how to check whether your phone is hacked. Great video, very informative, but they don't have any call to action in the video. They even didn't leave any link or buying instruction for the viewers in their profile area. And one of their videos has even got 7.4 million views. Now, they might be doing something right according to their business model. But in terms of affiliate marketing, this is totally wrong and loss of opportunity. You should provide high quality content and help your audience. Then put your affiliate link somewhere. In case of TikTok, it should be in the bio. And in your video, ask your viewers to click your link and buy from you. They will love your content, they will buy from your link, and you will make money. Super simple. And in fact, this is what we do, but we do a little different to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in sales commission per sale. And if you're interested in our system, easier, simpler, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you, then check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. You can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions from the comfort of your home. We will go there, but before that, I want to show you this awesome way to earn money online. This video has got almost 1 million views. Views are important because views turn into clicks on your links, and from each click we earn $1.70 to $8.58. And when all these clicks sum up, we earn big money. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Now, this person is expert at math, so he solves math related problems in simple videos, and people love his videos. He has got a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and he's smart. In his bio, he put a link to his course. His viewers can visit this page by clicking this link, then buy his course from here. In case you don't have a course, then you can do affiliate marketing. Simply Google mathematics affiliate programs and search for great mathematics offers that pay affiliate commissions. Make simple videos, get views from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, get clicks on your links, make sales and make money. But in case you don't like mathematics, in fact, I hate mathematics too, you can follow our simpler, easier, and beginner-friendly system that is 95% done for you to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. For more details, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Let's learn how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions through paper crafts videos. Yeah, let's talk about paper crafts. These paper crafts videos are so amazing and are a great way to earn money through affiliate marketing. They are simple and easy to learn. Just watch and try with paper and scissors. They also have the potential to go viral and get hundreds of thousands of views. Plus, there are plenty of affiliate programs out there for crafts that you can promote with your videos, which means you will earn affiliate commissions as well. But there is a catch. Many of these affiliate programs offer only 10%, 5%, 12%, and maximum 20% of sales commissions and even less. While it's possible to earn money this way, it's not enough to reach the $1,000 per day mark. So how to earn $1,000 commissions per sale? The key is to promote high ticket offers that have a higher price point and therefore they offer higher commissions. By promoting these offers, you can earn much more money in a shorter amount of time. But how do you find these high ticket offers and how do you promote them? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Check out the instructions in the bio, and in the first comment, you will find details instructions on how to do it in a 95% done for you system. Let's learn to earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions. But first, let's talk about something else. Have you ever considered making paper craft videos? They are simple to learn, easy to do, and they can go viral, getting hundreds of thousands of views. Look at all these hundreds of thousands of views. Plus, there are tons of affiliate programs that you can promote with your videos. In fact, this article gives us a list of 133 crafts affiliate programs. But here's the thing. Most of these programs pay very less commissions. Like this one pays 10%, 5%, 12%, 4%, 10%. Literally, most of them under 20% or less. And while that might be okay if you're just starting out, it's not going to be enough to earn $1,000 per day to $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions. So what's the solution? The key is to promote high ticket offers. These are the offers that pay out much higher commission, like $1,000, $500 per sale. And by promoting these offers, you can earn $1,000 or more per day in affiliate commissions easily, and that's exactly what we do. If you want to learn more about how we do it with 95% work done for you, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions just like us. But before we begin, this is a famous YouTube channel that only does reaction videos. The owner screams and overreacts to other people's videos, and he has amassed 2.87 million subscribers. He definitely does a great job and people seem to love his videos. But here is the thing. I think for beginners who want to earn money online, this is a complete waste of time. Instead of reacting to other people's videos, why not make your own simple, helpful, and informative videos just like this one and this channel on TikTok? They make simple image-based videos and get thousands of views. And this particular video has got 6.9 million views, and they are smart. They drive all their traffic to this affiliate link by putting this link in their bio. This way, they're helping people and adding value with helpful information and promoting an affiliate offer. And this is the offer, by the way. When you click on their affiliate link, this is the page you will visit. And this way, they're making money at the same time. But wait, don't get excited. There is a problem in this system as well. They only promote low ticket offer, which will pay you low ticket commissions. Making $1,000 to $2,000 a day promoting low ticket offers is extremely hard. We use a slightly different method and promote high ticket offers and earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day. And to know more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions just like us. But first, something interesting. This YouTube channel does reaction videos. He screams, he overreacts on other people's videos, and they are doing a great job. People are loving it. They have got 2.87 million subscribers. But I want to share with you why I think this is not the best way for beginners who want to earn money online. Instead of reacting on other people's videos, why not make your own simple, helpful, and informative videos? This can bring you great success like this channel on TikTok. They make simple image and text based videos and get thousands of views. And look, this particular video has got 6.9 million views, and they are smart. They drive all their traffic to this affiliate link on their bio. That way, they are providing value to their audience and helping people with these awesome videos and getting affiliate sales from promoting this clickbank offer. This is the perfect way of doing affiliate marketing. But there is a problem. They are promoting a low ticket offer from all this audience, which will not make you $1,000 to $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions. In order to make 4 figures to 5 figures a day, you need to promote high ticket offers that pay high ticket commissions. To learn how to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions just like us, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's learn how to earn $1,000 per day in passive affiliate commissions. This is a successful TikToker and YouTuber, and what should I say, Instagrammer, who makes videos on mobile phones and computer tips and tricks. Pretty successful, and people love his videos. I am a big fan. First, take a look at his videos. The high number of views and subscriber means he's doing something right, and we can learn from him. But let me show you how you can steal his video ideas legally without pissing him off. Not his videos, but his video ideas. Take a series of screenshots of his videos like this as he progresses with the system he's showing in his video, and then create your own video based on these screenshots. Again, don't use his screenshots directly, just use the steps and make your own video. This way you will be completely safe from copyright claims, and you will build your own brand, your own fans and followers. Your followers will click and buy from your links you put in your videos, and you will earn affiliate commissions. This is a great way to get started and make videos from other people's expertise. But there is good news. Our system is even easier, simpler, and 95% done for you. To learn more about how our system works and how we earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's earn $1,000 per day in affiliate commissions just like us. Have you ever heard of copycat.com? It's a great website that provides hundreds of premium recipes for you to use. You can take these recipes, learn from them, and create your own content. One way to do this is to create recipe videos, publish them on social media sites like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You can drive all your viewers to your affiliate link like these guys are doing, which you can place in your bio or in the video description in case of YouTube. And to become a recipe affiliate, simply Google recipe affiliate program and you will find hundreds of programs to choose from. Unfortunately, none of those programs offer high ticket commissions, so earning $1,000 per day could be difficult. But don't worry, we have a system system that can help us earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. Our system is simple, easy, beginner-friendly, and 95% done for you. To learn about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment.